Okay, once you have your designs ready to go, the next step is to upload your designs to a print-on-demand drop shipping platform, okay? So the one I always recommend that you use is Printful, and this is one that I've been using for the last 4 or 5 years now, and one that we use for our clients here as well. If you are a part of our accelerator program, then you don't really need to do this because we are going to be helping you do the designs and upload the designs as well for you, okay? However, if you're not part of the accelerator program, then you can just follow the steps and start adding your designs onto Printful, okay? So the first thing that you want to do, of course, is you want to register for an account. So if you just go to the website, I'll leave a link below this video, and then just click there to sign up for a new account. And it's pretty easy to do. If you already have a Facebook account, you can just register with Facebook. If you have a Gmail, you can just sign up with Google. If you've got an Apple account, you can just sign up with Apple, or you could just sign up with your email, okay? So it's very easy, very self-explanatory. And if you just click there, it's very easy to set up your account, your name, email, password, agree to the terms and conditions, and you should be up and running, okay? Okay, so once you have your Printful account registered, you should be able to log into a dashboard very similar to this, okay? And what you can do here is you can start creating things like product templates based on whatever products you want to sell. So if I just click on product templates over there, and then what you could do is you could create your first product template, okay? And that will actually give you all the different options of the blank canvas templates that they have here within the Printful platform. So if you were targeting men, for example, then you can actually just check out the men clothing section. You can see they have t-shirts, polo shirts, tank tops, long sleeve shirts, embroidered shirts, jackets and vests, hoodies and sweatshirts, bottoms. They've got sweatpants, joggers, leggings, short pants, swimwear, so many different products that you can actually add your designs onto it, okay? You can also see they've got women's clothing here, again, very similar, t-shirts, all over shirts, tank tops, hoodies, sweatshirts, sports bras, swimwear, dresses, so many different options that you can choose from, bottoms, leggings, shorts, skirts, and things of that nature. Super cool. Just use the kids clothing as an example. For example, say you wanted to start your print on demand merch line targeting kids, then we're just going to go to kids and youth clothing, and I'm just going to go to t-shirts, okay? Okay, so just one thing to bear in mind is you want to make sure that you obviously have your settings, your selling preferences set up to whatever your country is, okay? And because then it's going to be showing you the products that can be shipped to your respective country in the fastest time possible. So I've got USA here by default as an example just to show you guys, but you can always go to your settings, just click there and it will take you to your settings section where you can change your country and you can change your location just depending on where in the world you're based, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and create a design on one of those t-shirts. So I already have some designs and mock-ups ready to go. So let's just say I wanted to sell t-shirts, for example, then I can just use this template right here, but they've got other options, as you can see. This one has actually got more colors, so I'll probably go with this option instead because it's got more sort of colors and things of that nature. You can see what sort of colors are available with this product, and you can also browse and just take a look at all the different products that they've got here. You can see this one as well. It's just $12. So there's so many different options to choose from. They've even got like the long sleeve shirts, which are also great for kids. Let's just take a look. You can see more products there to use. Okay, they've got the baby ones, toddlers, and things of that nature. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and just try to upload one of our prints. I'm just going to go with this one. Okay, so let's just choose that one as an example, and you can see the shipping is pretty fast. It can be anywhere from 6 to 9 working days, and it's within the country. And then what I would do here is I'm just going to go to the DTG printing option. So you've got two options. You can either just get like a design on this little shoulder chest side of the print of the t-shirt, sorry, or you can actually get it on the actual merch itself. I usually prefer to go with the DTG printing option because then it means you can enlarge your design in the center versus just having it in the chest area. So it's really up to you what location you want your t-shirt, your t-shirt prints and your t-shirt designs to be in. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the design section over there, and then you want to choose your file. So you should already have your PNG file saved on your computer. If you don't already have any designs, check out our previous trainings on how you can get your designs created. And again, like I said, if you are a part of the accelerator program here, then you don't have to do all this. We're actually going to help help you out to put all the pieces together. However, in the future, if you ever wanted to come and, just create some, different products and things of that nature, then this is also a very useful training for you, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go on and actually choose file, and I'll just select a file from my computer. Okay, so I've just uploaded an image from my computer, and what I'm going to do right now is just click on apply. Okay. Awesome. I'll just X all of that. Okay, as you can see, it's actually put that design straight onto my merge, and this is ideally what it's going to be looking like. However, because the colors that we use for the design, have slightly darker colors and shades, I'm going to go on and actually select what colors I want this design to actually appear on. Okay, so if we go back to the design, you just want to make sure that it's actually in the position that you want. Sometimes it doesn't pick it up, so I just like to put it in the center so it's nice and visible. Just make sure it's nicely aligned, and then you want to go to where it says product, because this is actually a black t-shirt. It doesn't really look very nice on the black color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select like a brighter color. Okay, so let's do gray. You can see it's starting to look better on the gray print. We can also do white. It looks even better on white. I'm just going to remove black because I don't actually want that design to be on a black piece of merchandise. So let's try another color. So you just play with the colors and see. That's actually quite nice as well, this color. So just play around with the colors and see what colors your designs actually sit better in. Okay, I'll try berry as well because we're heading towards spring. I actually love this color. This is a nice girly color. So I'll just stick to those colors, but then you can always just come here and just select the different colors as you please. It's really up to you, but I think I'll just leave it at this 1, 2, 3. We've got about 5 colors now. So if I just do continue, okay, and then what you can do here is you can just give it a title. So I can just put that sunshine t-shirt or something like that. Okay, sunshine short sleeve t-shirt, and then we're just going to save the product template for now. Okay, and that's literally how you can go on to create your own sort of designs on your merch. You can do this on things like sweatshirts, hoodies, and things of that nature. You can just go here and just to create more products, and then just go and select whatever products you want to add your merch onto. It's really up to you what options you want to go with. You've got the design, so you can just put this in as many different products as you please. If you want to do this on shirts, trousers, hats, beanies, it's really up to you. The options are really unlimited. So I'll just put that there, and then just go to product, and then you can select whatever colors, as you can see right here. So if you want it to be on, black and white, you can choose that option. If you want it to be on, black and pink, you can also choose that option. And I'll just do purple as well. So let's just go continue. So can you guys see how easy it is to just, create this products and just add these designs to your prints?